Welcome, today I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings into OPPO A54s. First of all, open Settings, scroll down and go into Convenience Tools option. Here, go into Screen Recording option, and first block in the list will be Sound option. So, first option, Record System Sound, next it's Record Microphone Sound. And for example, this position of switcher, like green, it's activate this option, and this like gray, it's turn off this option. So if you wanna activate record microphone sound, tap on the switcher and OK, and we activate this option. If you wanna turn off record system sound, press to the switcher, and this position it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.